Hi, welcome to PayRules tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll learn how to hide the payment method for certain product variants using the PayRules app. First, you need to identify the product variant ID. Go to your Shopify admin panel, navigate to the product edit page, and click on the variant you want to hide. Now look at the address bar. At the end of the URL, you'll see the variant ID. Copy this ID. First, open PayRules app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. From the available options, select Products Variants. In the Product Variant ID field, paste the variant ID you copied. If you want to hide multiple variants, separate their IDs with commas. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Method section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. We will hide cash on delivery if the order contains desired products variants. Now let's test our rule. We already have the product game collection in the cart. As you can see, cash on delivery is visible on the checkout page. Now let's add the product with the desired product variants ID to the cart and proceed to the checkout page. As you can see, the cash on delivery payment method is gone. That's its simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!